In this video, let's talk about how to fix Telegram stars not activating. In this situation, the first thing that you need to ensure or do is match the billing and store region. So if your Google Play account or the Apple App Store region differs from the actual IP location or the phone number from the registered country, this is the issue that you're facing because the automated security filters will freeze out your asset validation. So in this situation, what you need to do is make sure that the regions or the location is set to 1. If this is not the case for you, then it is likely happening due to app bugs. So in this situation, what you could do is just force close the application. Simply tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and cache, tap on the clear storage option. What this does is removes any sort of corrupted files which might be causing the issue. While you're at it, what you could also try out is just update the application if there are new updates available. So that's the way on how you could do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.